This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Michael Ford. Walk into this popular open floor plan. You will find a separate dining room to your left and the large living area with fireplace straight ahead. In the kitchen are spacious countertops and custom cabinetry with nicely detailed crown molding. In fact, there is double crown molding in most of the downstair areas to set off the extra tall ceilings. Lighting is brushed nickel finish. 2 bedrooms and a full bath are off to the left with ceramic tile floors, and the master with ensuite bath is on the far right. The master features a corner whirlpool and extra-roomy tiled shower. The separate laundry includes custom cabinetry. Upstairs is a large, finished bonus room or 4th bedroom along with floored attic space. Even the double garage has extra space. Screened porch, plus open patio lead to the wide lot that's just waiting for a workshop or pool. New septic tank. For more information.